Hello all, it is October, beginning of October, and it's the season for crochet alongs. We are doing our own crochet along, Nature's Walk, but today I wanted specifically to talk to you about the new Scheepjes Crochet Along, the Rozeta Cal, designed by Tatiana, who is the most incredible designer and all-round lovely person. She blogs under the name Lily Bjorn Crochet. And we're lucky enough that we have a Tatiana store on our website. She comes over here, she's done some afternoon teas with us and some meet and greets in the craft barn, and she's just the most phenomenal designer. Now, we are also lucky enough that because of the way we work with Scheepjes and the close relationship we have, that we've got some finished Rozeta Cals here. So I'm going to show you these and then we're going to do the unboxing. Now, I'll be dead honest, I have fought hard against doing this cal because I've got that much other stuff on. It is Knittober, so I'm trying to make some progress on 2 knitting projects. I'm doing our own cal. We've had Yarndale, I've got Ali Pally, I've got a million and one other things to do, and somewhere along the line I think I've got half term to throw in there as well. So I wasn't going to do it. And then these blankets arrived and they are so beautiful and neat. These are the R-Tri versions. This is Midnight. Which, if you just, I mean, look, get this the right way, how beautiful these are. They're like stained glass windows, and and I've just fallen in love. It's taken me a while to decide which one I'm going to do. That one's back to front, because I don't like green, but this one's absolutely stunning. This one is beautiful. This is probably the one that has stolen my heart. So I was stuck between this one, which is Twilight, and then there was Dawn, which I really liked as well. But I think it's going to be this one for me. I love these blues. So that's the box I'm going to open, so that none of you get a box that's been opened before. Haven't opened one of these. I haven't seen what's inside. I have an idea what's inside, and I have seen one somewhere else. But let's go in and have a look. Now, if you haven't used R-Tri before, it's a lovely yarn. It's roughly a 4-ply in the UK market, and it's more of a rover. It goes thick and thin in places. It's not a standard yarn. It's a blend of 75% wool, 25% acrylics. It's perfect for socks. And the shades, oh, shall I show you my handy craft knife? Amy said to me just about to finish, I have got something to open it. I love a craft knife. Makes me feel like I'm being all, I don't know, in the warehouse and so on, and accomplishing stuff. So look, that's nice, isn't it? Look, Scheepjes branded bag in there as well. The Scheepjes S on it, I love that. And look, these are reminiscent, these little symbols of this stained glass window. So let's see what we've got. Wow, the colours that are in here, you didn't realise that. Oh, it feels so soft. That is by Miss Neris. A lot of these colours are named after the Scheepjes bloggers. Hark Marak, I'm sure sometimes I say some of these names wrong, so apologies. But I wouldn't have thought, look at this. All these colours were in here. Look, so, got 5 balls of the main blue, which, just feels nice. Iris Garden, that shade's called. It does feel lovely and squishy. And then this one, I've used this one in a cal before, that's by Felted Button. And then those other two, don't those colours look beautiful? Put them all next to each other. It's like being a kid in a sweet shop sometimes. Look at all those. Oh, I really like them. And then we have, oh, what's this? Oh, it's Tatiana. This is an introduction to the cal, an introduction from Tatiana. Yeah, 2 years she's been working on this. I mean, that's incredible. She was talking to me about it a lot last weekend. And the designers do put so much of their heart and soul in these type of things. It's amazing. So, yeah, beautiful. Feels so soft. So we've got a nice little introduction from Tatiana, which is there, which is beautiful. And then, what's in here? Cute little Scheepjes bag. I like anything like this. Ignore the plaster on my finger, by the way. It's Mickey Mouse plaster as well, yeah. Tell I've got kids. So what's in here? Oh, oh, look at that. Nice little card with a sewing up needle on it. So your darning needles there. I'm guessing that's to put the shades of your yarn in. Rozeta leather look label. And this is to stitch your label on at the end. So that's it. That's all the goodies that you get in the R-Tri. And yeah, and you're going to be seeing a bit more of an update on this from me in the future. Take care.